Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the dome light on Ford Fiesta, guys. MK7 generation 2008 to 2017. We're talking about this dome light right here. We have more than 200 videos coming on this car, guys, so if you need anything, please subscribe, let us know. Many videos on the channel coming soon, so let's go ahead and start on it now. What we will be using is a plastic trim removal tool, and this is because we don't want to damage and scratch anything. Now let me explain you quick. Okay, right here now on the back side you have two clips. If you don't remove it the correct way, you will break it. So when you get right here, right in the center of this light, okay, that's where the clip is, you can see. And there is one more clip, okay, over here. Okay, check it out now. You push them in, okay, and you pull out. Now don't pull the front side down because it will not work. Okay, you have to come in an angle like that. Okay, check out on the phone, it has two lights there. Now you need to disconnect the wire by pressing down and pulling out. Okay, and this is, guys, the dome light. So that's how you guys remove it, that's how you replace it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.